Hello guys, today we're not going to learn anything today. Well, we're going to learn something about me and my website. So for the past 3 years I was learning web design, and I still am learning web design. I'm actually going to school about web design. So I'm at fourth year, so this is the last year, and then I'm going to college. So yeah. But I wanted to show you from the, I think for past, 10 months, I'm going to show you my website. So how I improved, but I cannot show you the whole website. So I cannot show you the oldest websites because they're at my school on their computer, and it's summer, so I cannot go there and pick them up. So yeah, I'm sorry about that, but you will see I have some pretty cool stuff here. I have a lot of them. If you can see, I was busy this summer. So yeah, some of them are tests, and some of them are not. I actually forgot one website that's actually the biggest one. Sorry about that. That was my videos. Nope, not that one. Not that one. I think it was Slider. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Okay. I have the full website. So let's start with the 3D website. So this was made by me, and my friend and I got an idea. Oh, what if we can create a 3D space and move actually with only CSS and JavaScript. So we used CSS to make this block, see, and we used the JavaScript to make on click, and we made it to move. So yeah, but the look of it, only using CSS. So yeah, I can show you how to make 3D animations or 3D something. You just need to comment below if you want me to make something you want, or you can send me a link. Anyways, so yeah, you can see he can jump when you press space. He moves by A, W, S, and D. So yeah, he can move diagonally, he can move left, and he cannot escape. As you can see, he cannot escape. And this means actually we spelled it in Croatian, so that is where I'm from, Croatia. So this actually means a bird view. So yeah, the bird view, how the bird looks at it. So yeah, you can see those green boxes. Don't pay attention to them. I was experimenting a little bit. I didn't know what I was doing, so I was lazy to get them off. So yeah, as you can see, when he jumps, he can jump. So yeah, it's a cool 3D effect. So yeah, that's the first one. So the second one is an intro that I did for my company. My friend helped me design this logo, so it was not my logo design, but yeah, she's a pretty good designer. So yeah, I made so I made this in like I think 5 minutes. So yeah, I already explained how you can make an intro, so you know how easy it is to make this actually. This all in the intro. I think you can use everything I said to make this, but you need to use your brain to think outside the box. Web design is always thinking outside the box, thinking what you can do with something that shouldn't be done, shouldn't be possible, but you're gonna do it. And yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. So okay, this is a memory card game. So I just tried to make with jQuery. I was learning JavaScript and jQuery, and I tried to make you can see this means points. So yeah, you can see it disappears, then you can click until, so let's try. Okay, you can see those reds, but when you refresh, I made it randomized, so you see the red one was here, but now it isn't. So now it's purple. You can see it's randomized, it's randomly split. So yeah, I can make a tutorial, but I think a lot of people know jQuery or JavaScript, so I'm just sticking with CSS because CSS is easy, and my actually favorite language is CSS, so it still is, even though I know JavaScript, I know jQuery. I think my favorite is CSS language because you can do so much and you actually style things, and I don't know, I love it so much. And the new grid system is coming up, so yeah, I mean it already is out, so yeah, that I'm working on that. So yeah, this is JavaScript as well. I try to make, so this is a test website, so I have an idea for a website. So when you scroll down, it actually doesn't scroll down, it two links, so it's like modern design. Behind would be a video of a man standing and waiting, but when you hold space, this actually means hold space bar. When you hold space, it loads, but if you let go, it won't load. So if we load it to 100%, it's going to start a video, and then actually starts talking and starts talking about the thing they're trying to sell you in the website, so you don't need to read anything. So yeah, this would be the video, and this could be the X button, so yeah, and this could be the links. But yeah, okay, that's a cool pretty effect. Oh, this is a game that me and my friend are actually working on, and it will be done and it will be online. We're going to pay for the hosting, and it will be able to donate. We're trying to make money for our college, so you can pay for our colleges. So we're trying to make a new game. It's similar like Cookie Clicker. When you scroll, your paper gets up, so you can see. This is paper by second that we need to add. This is toilet paper scrolling down when you scroll. You cannot scroll up, and we disabled when you click the mouse. When you click the mouse, it won't do the scroll. When you click the scroll wheel, it appears that scrolly thing, I don't know, arrow, so you cannot auto scroll, and you cannot right click on this because a lot of people want to access the panel, and we don't want that. So yeah, this is the shop. We made a little bit. We need to make some pictures. It will be on English, and it will be free, so yeah, I highly recommend you check it out when it's finished. So it's going to work like this. So you scroll, you get enough paper, so buy this, and then when you scroll once, you can see it gives you 2. If you pay 2,000, but you cannot, now you can not pay because you don't have enough. When you grab enough, you will be able to pay, and then you will be scrolling even more. For one scroll, you will get actually plus 10, so you have 12 per scroll. So 1 itty-bitty scroll means 10. It will be able to play on mobile devices, so yeah, watch out for that. And so that's the upgrades. The items will be so scrolls per second, so you don't have to do anything, it will scroll for you. So yeah, we didn't use anything. It could go to infinity, and you actually beat the game when you go to infinity. So but infinity is 60 zeros, 1 and plus 60 zeros. So yeah, that is Scroll It, and this is the game I made when I was at my grandma's. She doesn't have a good computer, so I tried my best. And yeah, it's a cool little, it has actually levels. You're trying to get this so avoid the bombs and get the snacks. And I can show you actually if we go here. I don't like the view. If we go here and set ourselves to points, you can see if you go early in the game. I forgot. Oh, you can change the skin as well, but yeah, just for education, this is the skin for women. Wait just a minute. I think it's points. So bodily and honor country. So yeah, 10,000. Okay, yeah. You can see it flashes all the levels, and now you have a lot of bombs, and this disappears as well. So if we try to, and the point is to get to 100. So yeah, this is I made it in one day. This is the website I'm currently working on. In the video is because he didn't send me a video, and yeah, this is kind of what I'm working on right now. I made myself a scroll bar because I don't like the scroll bars. So yeah, I made a timeline. So I can show you. I can actually give you the code. I made the code to say what time it is, and so it's I don't know. It's, let's say it's Friday, and if it's 11 a.m., it's going to say green. But if it's not, then it's going to be red or something. So it checks the time, it says what the date is, so this is the day, and it says if it's closed or open. So this means opened in Croatian. So otvoreno, open. Četvrtak, I think it's Friday, I don't know. So yeah, this is the Facebook. I can show you. This is more 3D elements. This is using only CSS, so yeah, no JavaScript involved. Also this, you see this div, or yeah, it's cool. You can use this as a keyframe. This is using keyframes. This is using JavaScript, but I can show you easily how to make this, how to customize your own. I can show you, I can actually show you how to make this. You can make it vertical, so the loading bar here loads, or something when you scroll down. That was the first actually version of it. You're going to see it later. So yeah, oh, this is project that I did in class because I was bored. I was done, and everyone else wasn't, and I had so much time and I didn't know what to do. So I made this. Actually, if you see this loading thing on my mouse, it's not actually loading. I just said when the cursor is on this page, make the cursor into a loading cursor, so everyone's confused, like, oh, it's still loading, oh, it's still loading. So yeah, this is using this was first on hover. When you hover it does that, but I made it on click, so I used a little JavaScript because I wanted to see how you can see. I made also the arrow on the loading. So this I'm going to get last. I just try to mess around with some JavaScript. So when you click this, everything disables and you cannot do anything at all at the website. So yeah, now this was my mom's company. I tried to make a website, test website, so you can see when you scroll down, it first it's here, then it's here, and also on click it scrolls. So this a little bit animations, a little bit there, here and there, and it's also using PHP to send me something. So please do not send. Actually, it's not online anymore, so yeah, you can send how much you want. This was my school project that I got graded on. I got 2 A's, so yeah, that was good. This was using the teacher was impressed by how much I learned. So yeah, this was using keyframes. All of this was using keyframes, no JavaScript involved. But this is also keyframe and hover, make an animation. But this click was this is also CSS, and you can see I made a little bit. So if you go to contact, yeah, you can see a little bit of this. So yeah, let's go to Galleria. So gallery. This was my first navigation. I try to make it cool, but I like it the full screen. So yeah, I made it into a full screen, as you can see here. But yeah, this was like the selecting type. Yeah, that's it. And this is my testing. This is my testing website. So testing jQuery. I like testing a lot, and you can see the numbers and following mouse. And yeah, this was the scroll bar I was mentioning, and this was the vertical scroll bar when it's loading. So yeah, this was my overly added scroll. So yeah, you can see, you can scroll, you can unpause it so it will load, and when it loads it scrolls 1, 2, and then when it gets to 3 it goes back. So this was using jQuery actually. So yeah, I can show you how to make this. It's pretty easy. This is my first project for jQuery. So yeah, It's pretty cool. I like it a lot because it has the animation. I try to use as much accessories as I can. But that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate the like and subscribe if you would, please. I appreciate it. It means a lot. I don't have any subscribers for now. I only have like 3, and 3 of those are my friends. So yeah, I highly appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe if you like it. If you don't need to subscribe. It will mean a lot, and I will show you a cool stuff what you can do with the jQuery, CSS, and HTML. I'm going to stick with CSS until my audience grows, or my audience starts telling me to make jQuery or CSS, because I know a lot of people don't know jQuery and they're scared of learning it. I understand, I was too. So CSS for me is great. It's beautiful. You can do so much with it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.